Most of the rain is out of here for the day as a warm front lifts northward, bathing us in tropical air, and it appears right on the edge of the 80s. There's a line separating 80s from 60s and 70s. This supercell's had a long life in eastern Illinois. We had a brief tornado touchdown east of Champaign, and it was moving northeast, and now it's kind of starting to veer right. A lot of times they will do that when they're rotating strongly. So we got a couple little showers up here headed for Lafayette, but this storm will probably follow I-74. It's still rotating, and there's a pretty potent hail core in it just south of Danville, Illinois, about right here, and there has been some golf ball sized hail with it. So get ready near Covington, Agassiz here in northern Vermilion County, and pretty much right along that I-74 corridor, Waynetown, also towards Crawfordsville, and eventually towards Ladoga. I think it'll just basically follow I-74 as we head into the evening, and once we get that storm out of here, we'll be in good shape. Again, the main threat with this is large hail. Can't rule out an isolated tornado or a damaging gust, but the good news is, again, once we get this one out of here, will be in good shape. But the Weather Service has extended the tornado watch a little bit. Notice it now covers Carroll, Tippecanoe, Clinton, Warren, Fountain, and Montgomery counties. Now, I honestly don't think the severe threat will get north of I-74. I think we're in pretty good shape up this way. Nonetheless, the watch goes until 10 p.m., but I think the threat will be in place along 74 for a couple of hours, and then the threat will slowly wane. So I kept it 25% coverage, one for the severe cell along I-74, and two for a shower or two popping anywhere else in the viewing area. And then after that, partly cloudy at 11. A little fog developing, 66 degrees. But once we get the warm front through and the tropical hot air mass overspreads the area, we're talking record heat. And the last time we officially hit 90 at the Purdue Agronomy Farm this early was in 1949, and we may string together maybe 3 days at 90, and the last time we did that was 1939 in the month of May. And then we'll watch a severe weather threat on Saturday. 59 tonight, Rochester, 61 Monticello, 63 Lafayette, and 64 at Perrysville. Tomorrow, a very hot day, 85 to about 90. 90 Lafayette, Fowler, 88 at Monticello, and 91 at Pine Village. And Thursday, even though, like tomorrow, there'll be a lot of wind out of the south, it's still going to be hot, 85 Rochester, 90 Lafayette, and once again, 91 degrees at Pine Village. So for the evening here, going to watch that storm right here, right I-74 with a severe threat, and then a scattered shower or two anywhere else till about 9. And then we'll be in good shape. Some fog in the morning, otherwise a partly cloudy, windy, and hot day tomorrow. Again, you saw the record heat with highs around 90 degrees. 7-day forecast, yeah, 3 days at 90. If we can pull that off in West Lafayette, officially, it would be the longest such stretch since 1939 for the month of May. A couple storms Friday, severe weather possible Saturday, and then after 2 days of cooler weather, it's back to the 80s Tuesday. We may have an 87 as we get into next week. Doesn't look like they put out any warnings for Fountain or Warren counties. We'll keep an eye on that storm. It looks like it's weakening just a hair, but we'll watch it through the evening.